Hello friends, this is Kirti Patil. Welcome to the new topic Resources and Development. This is the first lesson of your Geography class 10th. First of all, we will learn in this video the definition of resources and the definition of development and also the classification of resources. So remember, we are going to learn three topics majorly. The first one is definition of resources, definition of development and the classification of resources. Now let us begin with the simple definition. Resource means anything which can satisfy our need can be called as a resource. Remember, anything which is available in our surrounding that can satisfy our need can be called as a resource. But here we should remember three factors. These three factors will help us to know about a particular thing as a resource. The first factor is technology. We should have such developed technology to use the particular thing. Then only that thing can become a resource. Example, crude oil. We know that crude oil is a available material, but if we don't have such technology to use it, it cannot become a resource. Second factor is economy. To use any particular thing from the environment, we should have economy with us. It means we should have economy to use that particular thing. Then only we can call or we can make that thing as a resource. The third factor is culturally acceptance. It means the things which we want to use from the nature, it has to be accepted by the society. For example, coal you take. Coal is hidden under the ground, but upon that ground, if any religious place is constructed, the society may not agree to break it down. At that time, you cannot access that particular thing. So remember, there are three factors to call a thing as a resource: technology, economy and culturally acceptance. Now moving towards the development. Simple definition is here. We human beings interact with the nature through the technology to improve, to increase our economic development by creating some of the institutions. Then obviously economy can be developed. Now moving towards the classification of resources. Resources can be classified into four divisions. The first one is on the basis of origin. Second one on the basis of exhaustibility. Third one on the basis of ownership. And the fourth one on the basis of status of development. On the basis of origin, resources can be further classified as biotic and abiotic resources. Second one, on the basis of exhaustibility, the resources can be classified into renewable and non-renewable resources. The third thing, on the basis of ownership, the resources can be classified into four groups. The first one is individual resources, community resources, national resources and international resources. Fourth category, on the status of development, resources can be classified as potential resources, developed resources, stock resources and reserve resources. So this video will give you very introductory part of the resources. Further, in the next video, we will be studying about the types of resources in detail.